Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to check out the Cost Plus Gaming M1 Flow Starter Tier Gaming PC. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful gaming PC that can handle your favorite titles without breaking the bank, this could be the perfect choice. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the best deal available on this amazing PC. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor. With a 4.2 GHz boost, it offers impressive performance for gaming and multitasking. Whether you're diving into high-end games, streaming, or just need a reliable machine for work, this CPU will handle it without any issue. AMD's Ryzen series has a great reputation for its value-to-performance ratio, and this processor is no exception. Next, the RTX 3050 GPU. This card brings ray-traced visuals and AI-enhanced graphics to the table, delivering solid performance at 1080p and 1440p gaming. It's perfect for gamers who want to experience smooth gameplay with excellent visuals without spending a fortune on the latest graphics cards. Whether you're playing action-packed games or exploring vast open worlds, the RTX 3050 provides an immersive experience. In terms of memory, this rig comes with 16GB DDR4-3200 RAM, which is more than enough for gaming, multitasking, and content creation. You'll be able to run multiple applications without lag or slowdowns. This is the sweet spot for most gamers and users who need a responsive and fluid system. Storage? The 500GB NVMe SSD ensures fast boot times, quicker load speeds, and plenty of room for your favorite games, apps, and media. The SSD also ensures faster file transfers and enhances your overall PC performance, making the gaming experience seamless. Now, the 600 watts plus Gold PSU ensures stable and efficient power for all your components. With this level of efficiency, you can rely on your PC running smoothly even during intense gaming or multitasking sessions. And for all your connectivity needs, the Wi-Fi support makes it easy to stay connected to your network wirelessly. In summary, the Cost Plus Gaming M1 Flow Starter Tier Gaming PC is a great choice for those looking for a budget-friendly yet capable system. With its powerful AMD Ryzen processor, RTX 3050 GPU, 16GB RAM, and fast SSD, this PC offers solid performance without the premium price tag. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just enjoying some light content creation, this rig will meet your needs. Be sure to check the link below for the best price and grab this powerhouse today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.